school week, and we don't have one, we don't have two, but we have 3 new bundles, and it is all about CSC Wig Edition back to schools, because you also deserve a little treat this time of year as well. So let's talk about the next 2 bundles. This first one actually may be a really bad idea for me to launch because you are just getting so much in here. You are not going to have to stock up again for a very long time. Think like next semester. First, it comes in my Mary Poppins bag, which you guys know that I absolutely love. The things that can fit in this is absolutely crazy. All these products, you can't even see them in here because it's just that full. First up, you're getting a large hair crown spray. This stuff is going to love on your wigs all year long. This is going to last you forever. This is great for detangling, refreshing, adding a little bit of just moisture back into your crown. You're getting our CSC hairbrush here. Full size shampoo and conditioner. If you guys have been using this for a while, you know a little goes a long way, and you're getting the full size. For the first time ever, hair crown repair oil is in there. This stuff works so well. A little goes a long way. Use this as a treatment. This is a great thing to use after you've washed your crowns. Make sure you fully rinse that conditioner out and then pop this on, and it is going to really help restore, help with frizziness. It is so, so nice. This is our CSC conditioning mask. It's great to use in tandem with the hair conditioner, especially if you need a lot of repairs to really keep your crowns looking beautiful all year long. Stacked. And the bundle I think I'm most excited about because it's absolutely going back to our CSC roots. This is the crayons for grown-ups. And you guys, my team named that. I had nothing to do with this one. I just said, grab me all the cosmetics that we have. And how delightful is that name? We're a beautiful, beautiful makeup brushes. These ones are a nod to actually my 5-year anniversary. We're going on almost 8 years, which is nuts. But these are diamond lined, beautiful synthetic brushes. These are so nice because these just make the makeup glide onto your skin. My Diamond Beauty Blender. This one is so great, especially for stamping out the corners of your eyes. Make sure you dampen it. Oh, she's adorable. I also have a waterproof eyeliner here, and it is also gorgeous. Look at her. Isn't that beautiful? Liquid liner. Stunning. And based on the bundles that you get, you're going to get an eyebrow pencil, a lip liner, and a lip gloss, which I will swatch all of those as well. I'll graphic here so you can see them. There's a couple different colors. First bundle is this Mauve Moment. It's really beautiful, like cappuccino color. And this formula is so, so nice. It just glides on beautifully. This color, are you kidding me? This is Bring On Fall. Oh. And this amazing like 90s brick red in the shade Happy Hour. Oh my gosh, look at how like just opaque that is. Stunning. These are our eyebrow pencils. Got the spoolie on the end, and then it's really nice fine point, and it's actually twist up top, which I really like as well. This is actually a lot of the times that I do my freckles, I actually just use like a cream bronzer and then dot it on with this because it's so nice and precise. And our twist up lip liners. These are all available August 17th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Which one are you gonna grab?